How to fix there's been a critical error on this website in WordPress. First, use recovery mode via email. WordPress automatically emails the admin with a recovery mode link when a critical error occurs. This gives you the backend access in safe mode to disable the faulty plugin or theme. Check your spam folder if you don't see the email. Second, enable debug mode and view error logs. Edit your WordPress config.php to add this code right here, and then review the debug log or server error log for PHP fatal errors. Logos pinpoint the exact cause, usually a plugin, theme, memory setting, or corrupted file. Third, deactivate all plugins manually. Access your site via FTP or hosting file manager. Rename the WordPress content/plugins folder, for example, to plugins_old. This disables all plugins at once. If the site returns, rename the folder back and reactivate plugins one by one to identify the culprit. Fourth, switch to the default theme. Via FTP, rename your active theme folder in WordPress content/themes or delete it. Ensure a default theme like 2024 is present. WordPress will revert automatically, revealing if the theme caused the error. Fifth, increase the PHP memory limit. Low memory often triggers critical errors. Add this to WordPress config.php. You may also need to update PHP settings via php.ini or .htaccess or your hosting panel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.